Hey everybody, we're going to do a review of factoring so that you can solve quadratic functions. So there's three basic ways to factor a quadratic equation, and the first one is called the AC method. It's called the AC method because we're going to take A, this is B, and this is C. We're going to multiply A and C together. So 3 times 8 is 24. And now what we're going to do is we're going to list things that multiply together to get me 24. That would be 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and you just have to keep going until you find a set that will add to get you 14. So in this case, it would be 2 and 12. Now that I know that set adds to get me 14, I'm going to split that 14 up. So I'll have 3x squared, and then instead of 14x, I'm going to have plus 12x plus 2x, and finally plus 8 on the end. Okay, all I did was I took the 14 and I wrote it as 12 and 2. Now we're going to group these together, and we're going to look for the greatest common factor, or the thing that they have in common. So if I look at the first set, what do they have in common? They've got a 3 and an x. I'm left with an x plus 4. If you remember, if I were to distribute this back in, I should get the 3x squared plus 12x, right? Factoring this side, it's got a 2 in common. 2x divided by 2 would be x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now I've got two sets down here that are the same, so I can factor that out. 4x plus 4 times 3x plus 2. And that's going to be my factored version using the AC method.